Hey there, this is bonus lecture. Along with this course, I have created some other courses. Because of you have subscribed to my course, I can provide you some discount coupon for my other courses. Here is a list of courses that I have created. First is GraphQL. For creating GraphQL API and a client using the GraphQL.NET library. Next is Blazor for full stack development with the ASP.NET Core. Next is on Alexa for creating custom Alexa skill. Next is on Microsoft Boot Framework with Louis and Cognitive Services. Next is on Dialogflow for building chatbot. Next is Entity Framework Core 2.0. Next is on ASP.NET Web API. And next is Apache Cordova for creating hybrid mobile application. Next is JSON and JSON schema. Next is Razor View Engine for the ASP.NET. And last is the quiz on the .NET Framework and the C#. For the above courses, I can provide you a coupon for the $10 only. Due to Udemy's policy, for coupon you have to send me a personal message. Along with this, you can also share your idea on any topic that you may think we should teach you. You can also follow our channel on YouTube, which includes some videos about the courses, and it also contains one of my entire course, which is absolutely free. And follow us on Facebook to get the discounted coupon for the new course. You can also read my blog which cover some technical posts. Thank you.